AI writes video scripts that boost retention 300%. The digital landscape is a gladiatorial arena for attention. Every minute, over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube alone, all vying for a fleeting moment of a viewer's time. In this cacophony of content, the ultimate metric of success is no longer just views, but retention, the ability to captivate an audience from the first second to the last. For years, crafting such magnetic scripts was a dark art, a blend of intuition, experience, and luck. But a new champion has entered the arena, armed not with a muse, but with a mainframe. Artificial intelligence is now writing video scripts that are scientifically engineered to boost retention by staggering margins, up to 300% and beyond. This isn't just automation. It is a fundamental re-engineering of the storytelling process itself. The secret to AI's unprecedented success lies in its methodology, which is less akin to a tortured artist and more to a master data scientist. The process begins with a voracious consumption of information. An AI model is not trained on a handful of classic screenplays. It is trained on millions. It analyzes terabytes of successful video content, from viral TikTok clips and high-performing YouTube explainers to top-tier television dramas and blockbuster movie trailers. It doesn't just watch, it deconstructs. It learns the invisible architecture of engagement, the precise cadence of dialogue that holds interest, the narrative arc that builds suspense, the emotional rhythm that forges a connection, and the structural patterns that consistently lead to high completion rates. This deep learning allows the AI to operate on a superhuman analytical level. When tasked with writing a script, it doesn't rely on gut feeling. It executes a precise, data-driven protocol. First, it performs predictive pattern recognition. The AI identifies the core topic and cross-references it against its vast database to determine the optimal narrative structure for that specific genre and audience. Should a tech explainer video start with a surprising statistic or a relatable pain point? The AI knows with statistical certainty which hook has historically captured and held viewers with similar interests. Next, it engages in emotional arc optimization. Human writers feel when a scene drags. The AI knows. It maps the emotional journey of the script, ensuring a dynamic flow between tension and release, information and inspiration. It can predict the potential drop-off points, those critical moments around the 30-second or 2-minute mark where viewers typically lose interest. To counter this, the AI strategically places retention anchors, a provocative question, a surprising visual cue, or a promise of a key revelation just ahead. It structures the script not as a linear story, but as a series of compelling mini-arcs, each designed to pull the viewer into the next. Furthermore, AI masters the science of linguistic micro-targeting. It analyzes the specific language, tone, and sentence structures that resonate most deeply with a target demographic. A script for Gen Z gamers will be linguistically distinct from one for corporate professionals, not just in slang, but in pacing, humor, and the complexity of its sentences. The AI can even optimize for auditory processing, crafting dialogue that is easy to follow and remember, a crucial factor in retention. Consider a real-world scenario. A marketing team needs a script for a 90-second product launch video. They input their key messaging, target audience, and desired call to action into an AI scriptwriting platform. Within minutes, the AI doesn't just produce one script. It generates several variants. Each one is a hypothesis for maximum retention. Variant might open with a strong, data-driven hook. Did you know 80% of people struggle with this one problem? Variant B could start with an emotional, relatable story. Sarah almost gave up on her dream until she discovered. Variant C might use a provocative question to immediately engage the viewer's brain. What if you could get an hour back in your day? The AI can then predict the retention curve for each variant, flagging potential weak spots. It might suggest shortening a technical explanation in the middle of variant A or adding a more powerful visual cue at the 60-second mark in variant B. This is not a replacement for human creativity, but it's powerful augmentation. The marketer's role evolved from struggling with a blank page to that of a strategic editor, choosing the best structural blueprint and infusing it with brand personality and authentic nuance. The results are not merely incremental. They are transformative. Companies using AI-driven scriptwriting report dramatic shifts in performance. Completion rates soar from 25% to over 75%. Average watch time doubles or triples. Viewers are no longer just clicking. They're staying, absorbing, and converting. This 300% boost in retention is a product of moving from creative guesswork to empirical certainty. Of course, this raises questions about the soul of storytelling. Can a machine truly understand pathos, humor, or the human condition? The present answer is no. AI excels at the what and the how. It identifies the patterns that work, the why, the profound emotional truth, the spark of original genius, still resides firmly in the human domain. The most powerful future lies in collaboration. The empathetic, culturally aware human writer guiding the data-optimized architecture provided by the AI. Together, they form an unstoppable duo, combining the heart of an artist with the brain of a supercomputer. We are standing at the dawn of a new era in content creation. The old model of hoping your video will stick is being replaced by the new reality of knowing your script is engineered to hold. AI is the ultimate script doctor, one that has seen every film, read every play, and analyzed every viral video ever made. It is democratizing the ability to captivate, allowing creators of all sizes to craft content that doesn't just ask for attention, but commands it. The screen of the future will be filled with stories that we simply cannot look away from, written by a partnership of human and machine, designed not just to be seen, but to be finished. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.